everybody, this is Robin Moses and I'm doing a series of nail art tutorials with Ty.
Hello.
Today I am going to paint a Christmas tree on a naturally small nail. So a lot of people ask me to do these smaller nail art, so I said today's the perfect one because I'm sitting with my daughter. So I'm going to go in with a dark gray, a light gray. I'm using a taupe nail polish so you guys can see, but you can use it on red or green or any kind of nail polish you want to use for your Christmas design. And then I'm going to add all the colors of the Christmas tree. If you want to, go to my Christmas playlist that will be linked at the end of this video and see tons of different kinds of Christmas trees. I have painted Christmas trees. I think when we counted, somebody counted for me and they're like, oh, Robin Moses, you have 34 different kinds of Christmas trees in your playlist. So there's no end to what you can accomplish. So I'm going in with a gray and I'm going to be just using paint. Okay, if you prefer to use a gray at the end of the nail, I highly recommend that you use polish. Paint at the end of the nail like this it flakes off, but it's not horrible and you can touch it up really easily with white polish. But I just say, you know, it's easier, it stays longer. So there's that. I'm going to mix a dark green with a light green on my brush, and you can get the brush at robinmosesnailart.com. It is called the wand, and I'm mixing on this thing right here, and it's going like this, and I'm just getting both on my brush. If it gets too thick, I'll water it down, and always work with really thin paints. They just come out better. So you want to start at the top with a dot. Get it right in the middle, kind of line it up. Start where you have enough place to make a star, and then you push down into a V. So it's a V. Then again, layer it, and as you layer it, kind of swoop down into another V that's a little bigger. Then as you go down, swoop down into another V, which is a little bigger. You want the tree to touch into the snow. Now you say, this doesn't really show up, Robin Moses, so I'm like, yeah, I know. So you have to go in with light green. Now, this is where you go backwards. So you take it on each line that you did, on each triangle, and you just kind of go back and forth, low and high, and touch in wherever you can, and move upwards. This highlights your tree and gives it dimension and makes it look green. So there's that. Okay, so the tree is made. Now it's still really wet, but with that same gray, I'm going to go and dot in the snow. So dot, 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 dot. That. And I just want to say thank you, Ty.
Oh, you're so welcome.
You have the perfect little nails to paint on. This is relaxing to me. It's not work. I didn't have to do nails for this. So I was like, Ty, will you make some beginning videos for me? She's like, yeah. She's so helpful.
Do what I can.
Ty, you're helpful. Thank you.
You're so welcome.
Because this is
Thank you.
tiny. Oh, you're welcome. So this is tiny, and there's so many requests for this, and it's Christmas, so I'm going to try and get these out in the beginner playlist. So now I'm going back in with white and just dotting through and kind of shoring up. You don't want too much snow. You want the green to show through, but then again, you don't want it to not snowy because it's such a tiny nail. It's going to be hard to see the tree unless you have some good highlights going down. So there's that. And then I'm going to take my white and then just kind of dot through. And if you see people using this technique and not saying thank you, I would like for you to tell them, please say thank you, because it's important. And it helps me so much to get to new artists. So we all have to say thank you to each other.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, so silly. Okay, so I'm just going to go in with a little bit of red paint just like this, because a lot of people don't have the gems and the glitter and all this stupid awesome stuff that you need. I mean, it's not, it isn't stupid at all. It's like what I live for. But at the same time, I know it's not necessary.
Little extras. And...
Right. I call them luxuries. So, so you don't need the luxuries. These are just perfect without any luxury at all. Okay, so with gold or any color that you want, you can go back in and make your star. It's going to show up easier for me to make the star in white first. So I'm going to put the star in and dot in a little V, a tiny little V. Now, you can find stars at the dollar store that are this size. And I'm going to put one over the top maybe for the picture. But for this, I want to show you can do it without the stars from the dollar store, just dotting in the star. I do a V like this, and then I add little arms going out, and then with the very, very end of my brush, just boop, make little tiny on there. Okay, so there is a tree done in seconds for pennies. This costed less than a penny, you guys. And then you highlight the little balls. Boop, 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 boop. And there you have your Christmas tree for short natural nails.
Oh.
I hope you guys enjoy this, and all my other Christmas tree designs will be linked in the end of this video right around now. And join me, and I will see you back with more.
Bye.